Hello everyone. Today I want to share a simple breast pump tutorial that can help many new mothers feel more confident and comfortable while pumping. For many moms, using a breast pump for the first time can feel confusing, but once you understand the basic steps, the process becomes much easier. First, always start with proper hygiene. Wash your hands carefully and make sure the pump parts are clean and properly assembled. Clean equipment helps keep everything safe and comfortable for both mother and baby. Next, find a comfortable and relaxed place to sit. When your body is relaxed, it becomes easier for milk to flow. Try to sit with good back support and keep the pump positioned correctly so that it fits comfortably. Now, begin pumping slowly. If you are using a manual pump, gently press the handle to create a natural rhythm. If you are using an electric pump, start with a low suction level and increase gradually if needed. The key is to keep the motion steady and comfortable. Sometimes milk may not flow immediately, and that is completely normal. Your body may need a little time to respond. Gentle massage before pumping or using a warm cloth can sometimes help encourage better milk flow. It is also helpful to stay calm and patient during the process. Stress can sometimes slow down milk flow, so taking a few deep breaths and relaxing can make a difference. After pumping, carefully remove the pump and store the milk safely in a clean container. Always clean all pump parts after each use to maintain proper hygiene. With practice and the right technique, pumping can become a simple and comfortable part of your routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.